Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and we are going to the Minecraft PE Dunkin Donut vending machine in Minecraft PE or Pocket Edition. So we click the Minecraft PE. Wait for it and play. And the Dunkin Donut vending machine is right over here. And wait for it. Okay guys, we're here inside our Dunkin Donut vending machine. Right over here. This is a dispenser with donut. And this is a dispenser also with water. Full of water. And the water going right here. And the donut will be right over here and going down. And we'll put in here in with the hopper and going into this chest. So that's how it works. And how did I do that? So we are having this, the 360 view of our Dunkin Donut vending machine. That's the 360 view of our Dunkin Donut vending machine. And we can see the top, there's a donut over there. So here's our water going right down. We can't see the donut because it's covered with water and we don't see it. And we close the button right over here. And the donut is right over here. Oh, the donut is right over here. And we have our donut. So this is a Dunkin Donut vending machine that actually works. So, thank you for watching guys, and please subscribe to my channel. This is a Dunkin Donut vending machine. Okay, goodbye.